Hey guys, what's up? This video is going to be a follow-up to my last video. So, in my last video, I talked to you guys and I showed you guys my brand new MacBook Pro. And so this video is going to be about how to wipe a MacBook if you're going to be giving it to a family member, if you're going to be selling it. So we're going to be wiping my 13-inch MacBook and we're going to be removing the stickers. So I'll show you guys what to do. Let's jump in. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to remove these stickers. So let me just quickly move my new MacBook out of the way. So we've got stickers in all 4 places here. Now we could use a knife or screwdriver to remove them, but we're going to do something smart. And I learned this trick from the 8-bit guy. So I don't want to spray WD-40 directly onto this laptop because of the fact that I don't have a hose for it. So what I'm going to do is, so we need to be very careful when we're applying this. So we just need to spray it lightly right onto the sticker. And then we're going to rub it around. So WD-40 is good because it loosens adhesives. And then we give it a few minutes to sit. And there's a couple stickers on the inside, but we're basically going to do the same thing. So time lapse to when it's dry. So if you look, you can see that the outside of the sticker is now darker, which means that the WD-40 has done its job and has penetrated down through the adhesive. So now we're going to peel it up. So we're going to use this flamingo right here. And we're just going to use a rather dull screwdriver bit. And we're just going to lightly and carefully just go right at the edge. Because it should peel right up. And we can see it's already peeling right up right here. Now the reason we use the WD-40 is because it won't destroy the material, but it also removes all of the adhesive because it loosens it up. Because what it really does is it like disintegrates the adhesive. So we can just peel the whole sticker right off. Nice and easy. And I'll come back when the rest of these are done. Okay, so I just finished getting all the stickers off the top, and we did get one small little scratch here, and there was another small little scratch somewhere over here, but you can't even really see it. And that's all the stickers, and now we have to take the ones off of the inside. So this is pretty much going to be the same process of applying WD-40 and then waiting a few minutes and wiping it off. Hey guys, so in editing this video, I just discovered that I never actually told you guys to go into settings and sign out of iCloud. So do that. Now that we can see that we're signed out of our Apple ID, we're just going to shut down this MacBook completely. We're going to click shut down. Doesn't matter if we click reopen because it's not going to boot back up to this drive. Now make sure you do have a backup on an external hard drive, or if you're me and you're transferring to a new MacBook, make sure it's already transferred. I transferred mine last night, so we're all set. So here comes the next part. So we need to power on the machine, but we're going to hold Command, Option, and R, because when we boot this up, this will boot it into recovery mode. It'll ask us for a network unless we're connected via Ethernet. So just put in your Wi-Fi password. Or in my situation, I'm not going to use Wi-Fi. I just have a USB-C to Ethernet adapter, so I'm just going to plug it into the side of the computer just to make my life easier, because I don't want to have to type in a password. And so now we're going to get this status bar, and now we just wait for it to boot up into recovery mode. It has now gone through the entire part where it's got the spinning globe, so now it is booting up into recovery mode. Screen just loaded. Once it booted into recovery mode, this is what I see. It just says select a new user you know the password for and click next. So I'm just going to type in my password. And now we're going to go to disk utility and hit continue. And then we want to click view, show all devices. We want this one Apple SSD right here. We want to erase it using APFS, and we'll call it Macintosh HD. and erase. I usually just show details just to be safe. And now it's done. So we'll click done. Now that we've clicked done, we're going to just exit out. And we're going to click reinstall macOS and continue. Now this is going to reinstall the latest version, public release, which is Catalina. So we're going to just click continue. And then we'll have to click agree a couple times, but we already know about those. We can actually see the MacBook is currently at 74%, but that's okay. So we're going to click agree, and we want to click Macintosh HD, which is just formatting, click install. And then we're going to plug it in because it's saying it recommends plugging in. Okay, and then we'll click install. And now we just let it install. Now that it has downloaded the operating system, now it's actually going to install it. We can see it says about 10 minutes remaining. But then after this, all that's going to be left is to set it up, which I'm not going to do. I'm going to give it to my other brother. Hey guys, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. This, again, is video 2 in a mini-series that I talked about at the end of my last video, where we're going to be, well, we already unboxed my MacBook Pro. We just did the computer for my younger brother. The next video is going to be on how I'm preparing a Windows computer to take with me for recording videos and stuff, and I'll talk to you guys more about that in that video. And there might be 1 or 2 more along the way, but it's ultimately going to end with setting up my dorm room. So, again, thanks for watching. Click up here to subscribe or up here to watch my last video. And until next time, guys, peace out.